we forgot to tell you, we're going to Disney World. We're on the first flight to go to Atlanta, and then pick it up from there. We forgot to tell you guys. You're excited? That was our secret. That's why we stayed quiet for so long.
You get there at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Brian, where are we? Bobby's Burger Place in the Atlanta airport. See how it is. What'd you get?
Plain. We're playing jam.
I got a breakfast one. It's the Bobby's Play restaurant. It has some pretty cool stuff in there. It has this. And there's the burgers. Let's see the burgers. But it's a cool place. Hi, Brian. We'll let you guys know how it is if we remember this time. Just got him in time. How is it, Brian?
Not bad.
Do you like it?
Back to restaurant food.
Would you come here again?
Yeah.
What's that? Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. I still have a lot, but I'm so full. And that was so stinking good.
Meanwhile.
Oh yeah, so we canceled our hotel reservation and we're like, hey, let's just stay at a Disney resort.
And we're going to Pop Century.
So on a whim, at, what time is it? Look. 9:56 at night. We're booking a hotel room. Might as well. But it was so good. So if you guys come here, Bobby's Burger Palace is across from Dunkin' Donuts. It's by gate B29-ish. So if you guys come here, definitely check it out. It's really good.
Reservation.
Not bad. So we'll see you guys when we're in the plane. Brian's not paying attention. So we'll see you. We'll see you guys when we're in the plane on our way to Orlando. Oh my god, you look horrible. Look at this. Look. Yeah, right? Alright, see you guys in a bit. Guys, we're in a really nice plane right now to go to Orlando.
I'm gonna put rock in.
We got leg space, even though I don't need it. Look, I can.
She can't even touch the floor.
But look at how it's like everywhere. Oh, Dana, we're in an emergency exit.
So, just to let you know, we changed our reservation for Disney. Her idea.
No, I'm not.
So we got the meal plan too, so we'll be able to experience that as well. But
Yeah. And tomorrow I'm by myself because Brian's gonna hang out with friends. So I'm gonna try to do as many parks as I can for you guys. Let's see how that goes.
who knows? I'll probably find her in the hotel sleeping.
The wait time is so long. I think it's spring break already.
Yeah. All right.
Look at the chat. Oh, my backpack. Oh no. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. But look. Oh, it just turned off. Only an hour and a half to go, and we'll be there at 1 in the morning. Bye for now. Say bye.
Bye for now. So the video you just saw was us going down to Disney World. So the next few videos we're actually going to have some reviews on new things that are happening at Disney World, Hollywood Studios. Amber went to Epcot for a while, Magic Kingdom, and then also Animal Kingdom. We stayed at the Pop Century, so the next video that's going to be posted will be about that. This video, however, was just us going to Disney World. There's another special announcement that we're making. If you remember a while back, we said that we were looking at trying to move, try to get rid of the house, try to get out from underneath it and go and move. So part of the reason why we went down to Florida was for that to happen. I went down there to interview for jobs and everything else, and I was offered and I accepted. So we will be moving there in the next couple of weeks. And we will really start focusing on making some more vlogs about Disney World, things that are happening, the new constructions, maybe team up with some Disney World vloggers, like just kind of meet up with them, kind of see what they like to do, maybe change some ways that we're doing things. But as you can see, we've already started the move out process. This is one of our old offices that we had. But I don't want to make this long, but we are officially moving down to Florida. We went in a couple weeks, and we will continue on our vlogging. And this is part of the reason why we were kind of gone for like a month at a time, because we were working on getting projects together, working on getting the house taken care of, and so on and so forth. And so it just kind of took more of our time than we thought it would. But we are back. We'll be making more videos, and I will see you guys later. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you sign up for notifications, and we'll see you in Florida.